Hello there! Ever wondered why your web pages are loading slowly or why some websites are not displaying correctly? Well, it could be because your browser cache is full. Today, I'm going to show you how to clear your browser cache on Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, and many other browsers. First, let's start with Microsoft Edge. Open up your browser and click on the three horizontal dots located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. Then, on the left side of the Settings page, click on Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down to the Clear Browsing Data section and click on Choose What to Clear. Check the box that says Cached Images and Files, and then click on Clear. Now, let's move on to Google Chrome. Open your Chrome browser and click on the three vertical dots at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select More Tools, then Clear Browsing Data. A new window will open. Here, you will see the option Cached Images and Files. Check this box and then click on Clear Data. So that's how you clear your browser cache on Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. The steps for other browsers are quite similar. Usually, you will find the option to clear cache under Settings or Tools. Remember, clearing your cache can help your browser run more efficiently and can solve many common browsing issues. So next time you face any such issue, you know what to do.